everyone, welcome back to Sue's Cooking and Outdoors. For supper, I would like to prepare vegetables with chicken, with the chicken broth, with curry spices. So I will get started. I need it's up to you. I put in 3 celery sticks, 2 carrots, an onion, garlic cloves to your taste, broccoli. I generally use cauliflower, but I don't have any in my fridge at the moment. You can add in peppers, zucchini, whatever you want. So I'm going to start cutting the vegetables now. I have my vegetables cut up. I have butter and oil in my frying pan. In the meanwhile, while it's waiting for it to get hot, I'm going to prepare my sauce. I got my notes close by because it's not often I do this recipe. I did it 2 weeks ago to see how it would be because it's been years. So now I'm doing it. I'm going to need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I don't level it off. I got a little bit more broth than I should have just to finish my package. 2 teaspoons of curry powder. That I will level off. An 1/8 of a teaspoon of chili, crushed chilies. Not too much of that because it'll be too hot. After that, I need a cup of chicken broth. This is the one that I use. So it just gave me a little more than a cup. I just want to finish my package. And a tablespoon of soy sauce. Now that is hot. I put my vegetables in here. Wait for them to cook up, soften up a bit. This, I mix up the sauce. I checked out the vegetables and they're still a bit hard, so I'm going to put a cover over them to make the cooking a bit faster. Check to see if they're tender. Now I would generally put in 2 chicken breasts chopped up and cooked, like diced up. But I've done a chicken not too long ago, a few days ago, and I'm going to add what I have left in here. We'll stir up this sauce again. And I will add it to the vegetables. I'll put my heat high. Has to boil because I have the cornstarch in there. On high, it will thicken up the sauce. Now I can lower my heat, even turn it off. Now time for the taste test. I generally eat this with some rice on the side. You can do Greek potatoes, but for now I'm just going to eat it like this. Chicken. You see the sauce is mixed in there. And it is delicious and healthy. So I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video. Until next time, bon appétit. Bye bye.